Another product we use is the biological indicator. We take one from the box, we load it onto our tray, and load it into the autoclave. It will give us results in 20 minutes as opposed to waiting the week. Once this cycle is done, I'll take the BI out of the tray and we're gonna bring it over to the incubator. We press down the blue cap and we shake it for 10 seconds. We'll put it in this slot, and that's when we move it back and forth 4 times. And then we'll put it in this slot and close the lid, and that's when it takes 20 minutes. This is a 20-minute BI. After it's done incubating, we open it and we get a printout of the results to tell us if our instruments are sterilized or not.